Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me like this, you just know that we are here for one thing only, taking down my 3 months mini braid. So guys, I'll be taking down my 3 months mini braid because it is old already and I don't want too much tangle. So I'll be showing you all the processes that I use in taking it down to avoid excessive breakage. So guys, if that is what you want, please stay tuned to the channel, okay? I have my tools with me. This is my leave-in conditioner, and this is my oil, this is my herbal spray, and I have my small comb and my white tooth comb. So I'll be using all this to take down my mini braid. So first thing first, I'll be going in with my herbal spray. You can also go in with your water if you want. So this is my herbal spray, okay? This is what I'll be using to take down my protective hairstyle. So I'll be dividing my hair into 2 sets. So guys, once I'm done, I'll focus on one part because I know that I'm not going to take everything down today. So I'll leave this one for the next. So guys, I'll go in with this leave-in conditioner. The reason why I love this leave-in conditioner is that it has a very nice sleep. So it will be a breast leave-in conditioner to take the protective hairstyle. So I'll go in with the leave-in conditioner like this. Make sure that I massage it in properly before taking it down.
The number one key of taking down your old mini braid is patience. Guys, in this part, you need to have a lot of patience. If not, all the hard work you have put in gaining some inches in the previous month will be for waste. And that is not what we want. As you can see in this video, I have knots already on my hair. So I'll be going in with oil to make it more easier. I have been using okra gel or flaxseed to take down my mini braid in the previous months, but for this takedown I decided to go in with oil, and I can say that it made detangling very easy for me, and at the end it made my hair super soft. This is just one mini braid. I've already taken that and my neck was aching. So guys, this is what we lost in taking down my one mini braid, guys, and the length is massive.
So guys, today is another beautiful way to continue losing my hair. So this is the one we have done yesterday. So we're going to finish from here today.
My hair is now dry because we left it overnight, so I'll be moisturizing it again and taking it down. So guys, at this point the first part was just tea. This back has already matted because this is a 3 months mini braid. So I'll show you how I carefully took down 4 mini braids on a go without losing too much hair. So guys, please wash carefully. And I didn't use comb to take down my mini braid. I just finger detangled all through. If you want to retain length, finger detangling should be your best friend. So guys, my hair here, the 4 of them matted together. So I will apply a generous amount of leave-in conditioner and massage it in properly. For taking this down, because it is 4, I'll lose one and stop it at the place that we have new growth. I'll repeat the process on the remaining 3 to where we have new growth. I will apply my oil in and gently massage my hair before separating it strands by strands. It's really a whole lot of work, but the aim is to reduce excessive breakage on our hair. That is why we need to be very careful and gentle when taking the hair down. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and drop a comment, okay? So this is what I got from losing 4 of my mini braid at a go. I hope you learned something from this video. So after losing all my hair, this is what came out from it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.